everyone. So we are continuing to solve the CBSE 10th grade math board papers, and in continuation for the year 2017, this is set 3 and we have already solved section A and section B in our previous videos. Now let's move to section C. 10 questions, 3 marks each. Question number 11. In this question, we have a tower, and from the foot on this straight line, 2 points C and D are at a distance of 4 meter. So this distance is 4 meter and this D distance is 16 meter. Angles of elevation from C and D are complementary. So suppose this angle is theta, this will be 90 minus theta, and we have to find the height of the tower. Let's name the vertices. So let this be AB. We have tan theta is equal to h by 4. We also have tan 90 minus theta is equal to h by 16. So tan 90 minus theta I can write down as cot theta is equal to h by 16. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to h by 4 into h by 16. So tan theta into cot theta will be 1 is equal to h square by 64. So h square is equal to 64. Therefore, height is equal to 8 meter. That's the answer. Question number 12. In this question, we have a bag containing white balls 15 and some black balls. Now the probability of drawing a black ball is equal to 3 times the probability of getting white ball, and we have to find the number of black balls. So we know probability of black balls plus probability of white balls is equal to 1, and probability of black balls I can substitute as 3 times the probability of white balls plus probability of white balls is equal to 1. 4 times the probability of white balls is equal to 1. So probability of white balls is equal to 1 by 4. Now let's write down the formula of probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Probability of getting white balls is equal to number of white balls, those are 15, by total balls. So this is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 15 by total balls. Therefore total balls are 15 into 4, so this is equal to 60. Black balls will be 60 minus 15, 45. Answer. 13th question. In this question we have a semicircle, one circle here, and we have one semicircle, another semicircle, and one more circle. All these are 3 centimeters. This diameter is 4.5 centimeter, and this is the shaded portion. We have to find the area of the shaded portion. Area of shaded portion will be equal to area of semicircle with radius 4.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter, and subtracting the area of circle with radius 4.5 by 2 centimeter plus area of 2 semicircles with radius 1.5 centimeter by r square by 2 plus by r square by 2 semicircles minus area of the circle is by r1 square plus 2 into pi r2 square by 2. Pi is common everywhere, and let's substitute the values of radii. So we have 4.5 whole square by 2 plus 1.5 whole square by 2 minus 4.5 by 2 whole square minus 2 gets cancelled, and this is 1.5 whole square. Pi, this is equal to 20.25 by 2 plus 2.25 by 2 minus 20.25 by 4 minus 2.25 is equal to pi. Let's take the LCM, is 4, so this will be 40.5 plus 4.5 minus 20.25 minus 9. So we have 22 by 7 and 45 minus 29.25 by 4. This is 22 by 7 into 0.75 and 15 divided by 4. So 2 11 times, 2 times, then 7, 2 times 14 35, 225 and 225, little bit of rough work. So 5742, 24.75 by 2 is equal to 12.375 centimeter square. So answer, area of shaded region is equal to 12.375 centimeter square. Question number 14. In this question, we are given coordinates of 2 points P 2 and minus 2 and Q 3 and 7, and we have to find the ratio in which 24 by 11 comma y divide this line. Let this be point R. So we have a line joining the points P and Q. Let this point be R. Ratio, let's say K is to 1, and this 2 and minus 2 and Q is 3 and 7. So we can say let the ratio be K is to 1, and the coordinates for R are 24 by 11 and y, and also we have to find the value of y. So we have to use the section formula, which is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and for y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. 24 by 11 comma y, this is equal to m1 is k into x2 is 3 plus 1 into x1 is 2 divided by k plus 1, and the 5 is k into y2 7 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by k plus 1. So we have 24 by 11, y is equal to 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 and 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. On comparing, we have 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 24 by 11. Cross multiplying, 3k plus 2 into 11 is equal to 24 into k plus 1. So we have 33k plus 22 is equal to 24k plus 24. Now 33k minus 24k is equal to 24 minus 22. 9k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 9. Therefore k is to 1 will be equal to 2 by 9 is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 9. Therefore ratio dividing the line is 2 is to 9. And on comparing y coordinate, we have y is equal to 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. So y is equal to 7, k is 2 by 9 minus 2 by 2 by 9 plus 1. Y is equal to 14 by 9 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 9 by 9. This is equal to 14 minus 18 divided by 9 into 9 by 11. This gets cancelled. So we have minus 4 by 11. So answer, ratio dividing the line is 2 is to 9 and y is equal to minus 4 by 11. 15th question. In this question we have a water canal, so it will be in the form of cuboid. The water is flowing in this canal. Width for this is 5.4 meter, depth is 1.8 meter, and it is flowing with the speed is equal to 25 kilometer per hour, and time is given as 40 minutes. So how much it can irrigate in 40 minutes if 10 centimeter standing water is required. So volume of water in canal is equal to volume of water in field. So both are in cuboidal shape. So we have length into breadth into height is equal to length into breadth into height. Now length we have to find out by the speed and time. So we know distance is equal to speed into time. So the length will be equal to 25 kilometers. So I'll change this into meters by 1000, and time is 1 hour. This I have to change into minutes, and I have to find for 40 minutes. So this will be the length of the canal. Then breadth is 5.4 and height is 1.8. This is equal to area that we have to find out, and 10 centimeter of water is required. This is in centimeters, so I'll divide by 100 to change into meters. So all my dimensions have been changed into meters now. Let's solve it. this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, and 6 1 and 0.9, and 2 decimal places we have 25 into 10 into 4 into 9 into 18 is equal to area by 10. So area is equal to 25 into 10 into 4 into 9 into 18 into 10. This and this becomes hundreds. We have 4 zeros and 162 meter square. Answer: area is 162 meter square. Question number 16. In this question we are given 2 concentric circles and we have a sector. This angle is 60 degree and this point is O. This is A, B, C and D. The radius for the outer circle is given as 42 centimeter and radius for the smaller circle is given as 21 centimeter. And we have a shaded region. And we have to find the area of shaded region. This is equal to area of major sector of outer circle minus area of again major sector of inner circle. So we can say 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square minus 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Now we can take 360 minus theta and pi common. So 360 minus 60 pi 360 into pi and r square minus r square. We have 300 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r plus r into r minus r. So this and 6 5 times 6 times. So we have 5 by 6 into 22 by 7 and 42 plus 21 into 42 minus 21. So this is 5 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 63 into 21. 7173 and 2 11 times 2 3 times 3 21 times 15 into 1 2 and 3. This equals to 15 1 46 4 3465 centimeter square as the answer. 17th question. In this question we have a metallic cuboid and its dimensions are 4.4 meter into 2.6 meter into 1.0 meter, and it has been melted and recast to form a hollow cylindrical pipe. The inner radius is 30 centimeter. Radius is 30 centimeter and there is a thickness of 5 centimeter. This thickness is 5 centimeter. And we have to find the length of pipe. Volume of cuboid is equal to volume of hollow cylindrical pipe. So volume of cuboid is L into B into H is equal to pi r square H minus pi r square H. So 4.4 into 2.6 into 1 is equal to pi, and H I can take common, and r square minus r square. So 4.4 into 2.6 is equal to 22 by 7 in height or the length of the pipe we have to find out, into r plus r into r minus r. 4.4 into 2.6 is equal to 22 by 7 into L into r plus r is 30 plus 35. So 65 into 5. And we have to change this in meters. So I'll divide it by 100 and this also 100. So everything is in meters now. Now L is equal to 4.4 into 2.6 into 7 into 100 into 100 divided by 22 into 65 into 5. Now 2 zeros are gone for these two decimal points. 22 1 2 times, 13 2, 13 5, and this 25 and 4. So length is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 4. So we have 28 into 4. This is equal to 112 meters. Answer: the length of the pipe is 112 meter. Question number 18. In this question we have a toy in the form of cone surmounted on hemisphere of the same radius, and radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. Total height is given as 15.5 centimeter. This will be the radius, so this is 3.5, and the height of the cone will be equal to 12. 15.5 minus 3.5, and we have to find the total surface area of the toy. That will be equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Let's write down the formula. So curved surface area of cone is pi r L, and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. We can take pi and r common because radius is same for both. So L plus 2r. Let's calculate L. So this is equal to square root of h square plus r square, and we know h we have already calculated, 12 square plus 3.5 whole square. This is equal to 144 plus 0.25 and 12. So this is equal to 156.25. 15625. We have 5 and 3, 1, 2, 5, then again 5, 6, 25. Okay, so 25 into 5, so 125, so 12.5 centimeter. Let's substitute the values here. So pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3.5, and L we have calculated as 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. So this 0.5, and this would be equal to 11 into 12.5 plus 7, so 11 into 19.5. Let's do some calculation. So 195 into 11 would give me 5, 9 and 5, 14, 1, 4.5. this was some rough work. So this is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Answer. 19th question. In this question we are given an AP as 9, 17, 25 and so on, and we are also given the sum as 636, and we have to find the number of terms whose sum is 636. So from this we know A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 17 minus 9, so we have 8. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms is 636 is equal to n by 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. 636 is equal to n by 2. We can take 2 common, so we have 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 gets cancelled, so we have 636 equal to n into 9 plus 4n minus 4. So 636 is equal to 9 minus 4, so 5n plus 4n square. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation. So we have to look for the numbers whose sum is equal to 5 and product is equal to minus 636 into 4. So product will be equal to minus 4, 4, 2 and 5. Let's find out the factors. We have 2, 5, 4, 4. So this would be 2, 1, 2, 7, 2. Then again 2. We have 6, 3, 6. Then again 2. We have 3, 1 and 8. Then again 2. We have 1, 5, 9. Then that's 2 by 3. So we have 5 and 3. 16 and 3, 48. Okay, so we get 53 and 48. Plus 53 and minus 48. So sum is 5 and product is 2544. So let's substitute now. So 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. N common. 4n plus 53 minus 12 is common. We have 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So we have 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 53 by 4 or 12, as number of terms cannot be negative or in fraction. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Answer. Question number 20. In this question, we are given a quadratic equation as a square plus b square into x square minus twice ac plus bd x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. And we are given the roots are equal. And we have to prove a by b is equal to c by d. Roots are equal. So we can say discriminant is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Comparing with the general form of quadratic equation, we have A as a square plus b square, and b is minus 2 into ac plus bt, and c as c square plus d square. Substituting, we have b square as minus 2 into ac plus bt whole square minus 4 into ac. So this would be 4 into a square c square plus b square d square plus twice abcd minus 4 into a square c square plus a square d square plus b square c square plus b square d square is equal to 0. Now this is, I can take 4 common, so I'll be left with a square c square plus b square d square plus twice abcd minus a square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square minus b square d square is equal to 0. Now 4 goes that side and it will become 0, and a square c square minus a square c square gets cancelled, b square d square minus b square d square gets cancelled. Have here minus a square d square plus twice abcd minus b square c square is equal to 0. This equals, minus sign I can take common, so we have a square d square minus twice abcd plus b square c square is equal to 0. Minus sign goes that side, becomes 0, and now this is in the form of ad minus bc whole square is equal to 0. Taking square root on both sides, we have ad minus bc is equal to 0. So ad is equal to bc, and I can write down as a by b is equal to c by d. Hence proved. With this, we have finished section C, and section D we are going to do in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.